Welcome back to NoSaltBP. Please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all NoSaltBP, and of course at NoSaltBP.com. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about soul food. Soul food, soul food, soul food. It is so flavorful. But what brings more flavor and more added meaning is that soul food is more about the people sitting at the table and the conversation that's going on at the table. Factor in the food that is placed on the table. So now, today, we're going to use a favorite soul food staple. It is called either chitlins or chitterlings. Okay? Either way, chitlins or chitterlings contain less salt than bacon, pork chops, pork rind, ham. Chitlins only contain 15 milligrams of sodium, 5 milligrams of protein, 15 milligrams of cholesterol in a 2-ounce serving. So that's the rundown on chitlins or chitterlings. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so now I have finished cleaning these chitlins, as you can see. We're going to start dropping them over in the pot. Do them like the 3 branches of government. Executive, legislative, and judicial branch. This is the judicial. This is the final cut, okay? And what goes in here now will be what's in here. As you guys can see, membrane removed. Nothing on these. These are to be thoroughly clean before you put them in there. Got a little speck, pull it off. They should look like this, and mine are thoroughly clean. Just make sure you guys thoroughly clean them. Before you clean them, if they are frozen, soak them in water until cold water, until they are thoroughly dry. And go through it one by one. The cleaning time takes approximately about an hour to an hour and a half. And you can have these any day of the week as long as you have time to clean them. It doesn't matter if they're pre-clean. Please go through and clean. Make sure there's nothing that can be peeled off. They should look like this. Clean. Clean, 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 clean. Then I can take any one of these out. Clean, 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 clean. Even if it says it's pre-cleaned, never trust that. Unthaw it and clean it yourselves. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. move over to my chopping board next. See? Totally clean. Again, less salt than bacon. Pork chops. Pig feet. You want to make sure they're clean, clean, and clean. This is cleaned. And even if it's like 5 pounds, you may come out with about 3 if you're lucky. Removing the membrane and cleaning them. So that's it for the chitlins. Now we're going over to the cutting board with what we're going to place in the chitlins. Garlic. Two cloves of garlic. Jalapeno, because I like mine spicy. Onion for flavor. And my chitlins were washed 4 times. Green and red bell pepper. That goes in here. Pimento rolla by Galileo, or red pepper flakes. My Big Lots haul, pantry haul, Fresh Finds onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, and my extra punch is my Cajun seasoning. This has been mixed on the channel before. And there's absolutely no smell in this. So you want to turn your chitlins through. Run some cold water. Oh, this smells so good. This does not smell like whatever you've been smelling, or bad chitlins that you've been smelling, or chitterlings. And on to the stove we go. Hey! You turn this up. And so I can show you what it looks like. Here we go. Chitlins or chitterlings, you make the call, and I'll be back very shortly. Welcome back to NoSaltBP. Please follow me, NoSaltBP, on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and at NoSaltBP.com. And guess what? We are done with our chitlins. Remember the red pepper, the garlic, the black pepper, the green bell pepper, the onions, and jalapenos. This is the dish. It's piping hot, and I am ready to eat. These are my chitlins, and they're all done. Place that there. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. I realize you had many choices and channels both on television and on YouTube to receive your recipe information. However, here at NoSaltBP, we do it without the salt and we count carbohydrates. I will see you in the next one. Bye!